Let's talk today about something very common but very serious: the hard buildup on our teeth, known as dental tartar and plaque. Most people suffer from it, but very few understand why it happens and how to stop it naturally. Today, I will share a very effective homemade mouthwash. If you use it regularly, the tartar will slowly reduce, and with continued use, it can be controlled permanently. The bacteria that live in our mouth are very smart. To protect themselves from our immune system and even from antibiotics, they create a protective layer called biofilms. You can imagine biofilms like tiny houses made of calcium, where bacteria live safely. Inside these calcium-based houses, bacteria stay protected. This is their survival mechanism. Because of these biofilms, our immune system cannot easily detect them. So the bacteria survive for a very long time, not only inside our body, but also outside. In fact, about 95% of bacteria in nature live inside biofilms. If you ever go to a river and pick up a stone from the water, you will notice it feels slippery. That slippery feeling is because of biofilms on the surface of the stone. You will find biofilms almost everywhere, especially where water is present, like in your mouth, where saliva is always there. These bacteria need water and sugar for nourishment. When biofilms increase too much in the mouth, they cause many problems: bad breath, gum inflammation, bleeding gums, heavy plaque and tartar buildup. Because of this buildup, people eventually have to visit a dentist to get it removed. But if you regularly use this simple homemade mouthwash, you can manage this problem very easily at home. The first ingredient is baking soda, also called sodium bicarbonate. When biofilms grow in the mouth, the bacteria inside them produce a large amount of acid. This acid lowers the pH level of the mouth. When the pH level drops to low, around 3.5 to 5, it starts a process called decalcification. Calcium begins to leave the teeth and bones and enters the bloodstream. The bacteria then use this calcium to build their protective houses. Because of this calcium loss, teeth become weak, and cavities start to form. That is why it is extremely important to keep the mouth's pH neutral. I mentioned in my previous video that eating too much sugar and having unstable blood sugar levels increase acidity in the body. Sugar is the favorite food of these bacteria. When you give them sugar, you create a perfect environment for them, and they start producing even more acid. Baking soda helps by raising the pH level and making the mouth more alkaline. It breaks down bacterial colonies and weakens biofilms. Interestingly, sodium bicarbonate is naturally present in our saliva, so using it has virtually no side effects. The second ingredient is 3% hydrogen peroxide, the brown liquid easily available at medical stores. Hydrogen peroxide destroys bacterial biofilms and also works as an antifungal agent, especially against Candida. An interesting fact is that hydrogen peroxide is naturally produced in our saliva. Our cells use it as a weapon to kill harmful bacteria. Here, we are simply using a slightly higher amount of something that the body already makes. To prepare the mouthwash, take 1/2 teaspoon baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon 3% hydrogen peroxide. Mix both in 1/2 cup of water. After brushing your teeth with your regular toothpaste, use this mixture as a mouthwash. Swish it in your mouth for 30 seconds and then spit it out. With regular use, tartar will not build up on your teeth. Teeth will regain their natural shine and look healthy. Bad breath will disappear and gum health will improve. Recently, research on vitamin K has revealed that it has a deep connection with tartar formation and calcium balance. When combined with vitamin D3, it helps stop harmful calcification. It keeps calcium inside teeth and bones and prevents it from depositing in soft tissues. Because of this, bacteria cannot use calcium to build their biofilm houses. I will soon make a detailed video on vitamin K too. If you chew gum, choose one with anti-biofilm properties. You can also use cloves, oregano oil, or rosemary oil. Also, include turmeric and cinnamon in your daily diet. They contain curcumin, which has extremely important benefits. So these are my recommendations to protect yourself from dental problems.